Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into App Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Then download this free app, and when it's ready, open it. Now hit Get Started. Log in to one of your accounts or simply tap on Not Now. Pick wherever you wish to in Allow Notifications pop-up, and also wherever you wish to in Do You Agree to Share One. Finally, you can close SwiftKey and access Devices settings. In them, click on General, select Keyboard, and tap on Keyboards at the top. Then, if you can't see SwiftKey over here, select Add New Keyboard and click on it under Third-Party Keyboards. Now you need to tap on it again, this time of List of Available Keyboards, and click on the gray sweater next to Allow Full Access. Then hit Allow in the pop-up, and finally close Devices settings. Now, in order to Now, in order to change and customize your keyboard, you need to click on SwiftKey, hold this globe at the bottom left corner, and select SwiftKey from the list. Then tap on Next. Now choose Themes at the top right corner and click on the best one for you right away. So finally, when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it, you can always do that by going into SwiftKey again, but this time selecting Design Your Theme at the top. Now choose OK in the pop-up to allow SwiftKey to access your photos, and hit Allow Full Access in order to pick the best background for you. Click on it, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and also rotate. Now click on Next at the top right corner. Adjust the background darkness by swiping left or right. Change key pop-up color by hitting on one of those options. And decide what you do with key borders by tapping on one of those options. Wherever you decided, when you're done, click on Insert Name and name your theme. Lastly, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!